In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trim video in Canva. Trimming a video simply means cutting off the parts at the beginning or the end that you don't need, so your final clip starts and stops exactly where you want. This is really useful if you have some extra seconds of recording before you start talking, or some awkward silence at the end that you'd like to remove. First, open Canva and head to the design where your video is located, or create a new design and upload your video file. Once your video is in the design, click on it so it's selected. You'll know it's selected when you can see the video highlighted on your canvas and the editing options appear along the top or bottom of your screen. Now follow the on-screen prompts that Canva gives you. When a video is selected, Canva usually shows a small timeline or progress bar for that clip. Look for the handles or edges at the start and end of that timeline. These are the trim controls. Hover over the beginning of the timeline until you see the cursor change. Then click and drag the edge forward to the point where you want your video to start. As you drag, Canva will often show a preview frame or a timestamp, so you can be precise about where your content should begin. Do the same at the end of the clip. Click and drag the handle at the end of the timeline back toward the middle, stopping at the moment where you want your video to finish. Take your time here. Small adjustments can make a big difference in how clean and professional your final video feels. After trimming, use the play button in the preview area to watch your video from start to finish. Check that it begins smoothly and doesn't cut off your words or actions, and make sure it ends naturally without leaving any unnecessary pauses. If something feels off, just pause, drag the handles again, and fine-tune the in and out points. As you follow the on-screen prompts, Canva may also suggest other basic edits, like adjusting the volume, adding text, or including transitions. You don't have to use these, but they can help polish your trimmed clip even more. When you're happy with how everything looks and plays, click the download or export button, choose your preferred video format and quality, and then save your newly trimmed video to your device. And that's all there is to it. By carefully following the on-screen prompts and adjusting those trim handles, you can quickly cut your video